You want water?
Oh, nauhaw?
Walang ginawa ko dito makulo eh.
Oh, no, baka maubos na yun. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Ayan.
Lola, oh, go to Lola. Go to Lola. There's Lola, oh. Where have you been? I missed you so much. More than 11 now. What happened to your nose? You're so ganda naman, baby! Happiest 51st birthday, Ma. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo, mga 110 years old. Okay.
Grabe no.
At sana makapag-travel pa tayo together next year
Sana
ng
hindi lang
madami.
Good health lang ang wish ko kay ma'am.
Good health and more panalo sa scatter. Bye-bye. We love you so much.
Love you, mama.
Pahabaan tayo. Happy birthday, Mama. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, mama. Okay. Hello, mama. Happy birthday. Wala kami sa Okada kasi ang boring dyan. Kaya nandito kami sa MOA. Ayan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Pangilan na ba ni mama to? Wow, 51st. First year of 50. Amazing. Ano ba? Ano ba wish ko? Wish ko, sana yumaman na tayo. Kaya, sana jumakpat na sa scatter ng... Oo, ngayon mismo sa Okada, yung tipong makakasalubong mo kami na na yun, nanalo tayo 20 million. Ito 1 million sa'yo. Kasi huwag ka na, ay, sana nga. Tuloy mo na yung met mo. Sige, 1,000,000 lang yan. Pero ayun. Ano ba? Good health, of course. Yak, generic. And like, maging strong as always, whether body or mind. Oh, di mo kaya. Ganon. Pero sana yumaman na tayo. Yun lang talaga. Amazing, boy.
Si Candice naman. Say happy birthday, Lola.
Happy.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Nana.
I love you.
Yellow.
Mwah.
Mami Grace, kala ko si Mama.
Happy birthday. We wish you
We wish you all the best.
more blessings and longer life.
More Christmas to come.
Ayaw.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Yay! Thank you.
Happy,
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Mama.
Mama.
Love you.
Thank you. Kare-kare.
Happy birthday. Ano ba? Gara. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi sis! Happy birthday and Merry Christmas! So, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. So, nandito lang kami to support you and to guide you always sis. Always stay beautiful, happy, and then you more have merry more birthdays to come. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday. I love you.
Wish mo kay Mommy.
Good life.
Ano pa?
Happy day.
Ano?
Happy day.
Happy day. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Ate Grace. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Gara.
More kain.
Manatili kang laging health. Manatili ka laging healthy, ha?
Alam mo na,
Healthy lagi. Enjoy lagi.
More scatter.
Laging enjoy lang. Tapos, bawas-bawas ng kain sa labas. Para mag-slim-slim ka naman ng konti. Huwag ka masyadong magpataba.
More gala,
yeah.
more scatter,
Enjoy lang. Pero, hinay-hinay.
Grace. Wish you good health and longevity.
Okay. Thank you. Mic pala to?
Abang na yung nagsasalita ka nagagano.
Happy birthday. On your special day, I just want you to know you are how deeply loved and appreciated. How deep is your love? Ano ba yan? I-edit mo yun, ha? O, sige. Ito, final na to. Naiyak na si Gara. Ito na, seryoso na talaga. Happy birthday, my dear sister. Yeah. On your Oo nga, grabe. Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit. Happy birthday, my dear sister-in-law. I just want you to know how deeply loved and appreciated you are. Thank you for being a wonderful person. More scatter kung you're very lucky and more casino. Oo. Pwede mo bang i-try mo yung jackpot sis ha, tapos yung half ipautang mo sa akin. Alam mo naman ang hirap magpa-kolehiyo, pautang ng pang tuition. Nahiya pa yan Puro kalokohan. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Good health palagi. And
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gara.
Happy birthday, Gara. Good health and more blessings. Paganda ka lagi. Para manalo ka sa ano. Magpakain ka ulit pag nanalo ka. Gara, happy birthday!
Grace, anak, happy birthday. Super busog kami at masaya. Kumpleto ang araw na to sa dami ng pinuntahan natin. Sana marami pang darating na taon na mag-celebrate tayo na sama-sama buong pamilya. Love you, Nak.
Hi guys!
In your eyes.
Hi Keeper!
Yung kanin pansit.
Hi May!
Hi, hello, good evening.
Kunyari lang.
Hi po! Hi Tita! Hi po! Video. Tita Fanny, hi ka. Hello! Birthday girl, nanalo ba sa casino?
Yes!
Wow! Balata naman, girl!